So my parents, they love what I'm doing, I think. I hope. Who can define what barbecue is? Every culture has their form of barbecue. If it's good food, it's good food. I don't care how you got there. Hi, I'm Quy Hong. I'm the co-owner and pit master of Blood Brothers Barbecue here in Bel Air, Texas. So the dish we're making today is our Thit Nuong pork belly burnt ends, and we're gonna surprise our neighbors over at Roots Hair Salon. Hey neighbors, brought y'all some food. Hi guys, I'm Quy, and this is the grill next door. So today we're gonna start prepping our Thit Nuong pork belly burnt ends for our banh mi. We always start with a full slab of pork belly, skin off, and we just cut them up into probably 1 to 1.5 inch cubes. Pork belly is just awesome. It's fatty, but it's meaty. I mean, it's what bacon's made from, right? Everyone loves bacon. Once you get it all cubed up, we're gonna throw it in a bowl and mix it with our sauce. So our sauce consists of soy sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, fresh minced shallots, garlic, sesame seeds, sugar, a lot of sugar. So we'll just get a real nice coating on there. Get in there, mix it up real well, make sure all the belly is coated with the sauce. Blood Brothers started as a concept amongst 3 friends, Robbie and Terry Nuong, good friends of mine back in middle school, high school days. We all got together, decided we wanted to start the barbecue concept. It started as pop-ups. We did pop-ups for probably 6-7 years. In 2018, we decided to open a brick and mortar. Late 2018, we opened our doors. Personally, we hate to say that we do Asian barbecue and stuff like that. You know, we call it Houston BBQ. Houston's such a melting pot, all different cultures. We pull our influences from everywhere. Chinese, Caribbean, Mediterranean. We just have fun with it. See if it works. If it works, we keep it on the menu. If it doesn't, we pull it and try something else. So now that the pork belly is all mixed up, we're gonna take this to the smoker and load it on. We're gonna smoke it. Total time's probably gonna be about 5 hours. Once you're done, it's basically like meat candy. You know, you're gonna have that nice bark on the outside, but really nice tender meat on the inside. All right, so these pork belly burnt ends just came off the smoker. Nice and tender, nice bark on them. So let's assemble our banh mi. Some Nuong mam, which is basically a fish sauce that also includes sugar, a little bit of chilies, and garlic. So first, we're gonna take our baguette here, nice swipe of pate, aioli on the other side, and then just load it with the pork belly. That's one thing about the barbecue community in general, you know, it's a very tight-knit group where, you know, when we see each other, when we do these festivals, it's, hey, let's have fun, and everyone's having fun, everyone cooks their different things, but at the end of the day, it's everyone coming together to enjoy food with their friends. You know, and that's the vibe we try to bring here with the restaurant. Good food, good friends, good drinks, good music. And top it off with some cilantro. There you have it. If you want to kick it up a notch, we normally will just put some chili sauce on top, and then you're ready to chow down. Roots Hair Salon next door to us. They've been supporters of ours since we opened. You know, they frequent here quite a bit, so we want to treat them to something nice.
Surprise!
Hey neighbors,
Delivery for you guys.
brought y'all some food.
Hope y'all are hungry.
Grab in. This is so good. It's so juicy.
Awesome. Never in a million years did I think I would be doing barbecue or owning a restaurant or anything like that. But it's been an awesome journey with the support of my family, my friends. It's been awesome. I wouldn't change anything. This was Twisted's Grill Next Door. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to like and subscribe.